Friends, you are most welcome to the computer class. Today we are starting chapter 5, that is tools of MS Paint. Okay, so this paint means drawing, coloring. Okay, all these things are called paint, and we all love to do paints, isn't it? We usually do paints on copies. We usually draw and paint on copies. But now today we will learn how to draw or paint in a computer. So here a picture is given. See, a girl is sitting and a robot is there. They are doing something in the computer. So we are starting reading. Okay, Turbo, I am trying to draw a circle in paint using the pencil tool. It's so tough. So the girl is telling to the robot, the name of the robot is Turbo, that she is trying to draw a circle, but it is very hard. Tough means hard. Now Turbo, the robot, is telling, but Tina, don't you remember the options in the shapes group? You can easily draw the circle using the oval tool. See, the robot is telling to Tina, that means the name of the girl is Tina, that there is a option in the shapes group. So there will be a shapes group in the paint, and there shapes are given, so she can select a oval tool from there and she can draw the circle very easily. Now Tina is telling, oh yes, Turbo, I had forgotten. Could you help me quickly revise paint? Turbo, sure Tina, I will tell you a few new things too. Next, we are starting the chapter now. Microsoft Paint is a simple drawing program which helps you draw and color images on the computer. So, what is Microsoft Paint? Microsoft Paint is a program. It is a very simple program through which we can draw and color images on the computer. Next, you have already learned how to use some basic paint tools in the previous class. In this chapter, we will learn about a few more tools and commands in Paint. But let us first revise how to start Paint and also recall the parts of the Paint window. So last year we have already learned, and now we will revise it. At first we have to know how to start Paint. To start Paint, we have to click Start. Then all programs, a list will come. Then from there we have to select accessories. Then from the accessories we have to select paint. So how to start paint? To start paint, click Start, then all programs, then accessories, and then paint. Move on the next page. See, at first when we will start, you will get this all program. We have to click on that. Then we will get accessories over there. And then we will get over here so many things. We have to select paint from there. Understood? Next, the paint window opens. Okay? Then the paint window will open. The paint window always opens with the home tab selected. So when the paint window will open, this home tab will be selected, already selected. The window has two main parts, the ribbon and the drawing area. See, this is the ribbon. See, this is the ribbon. The ribbon will show the different types of tools. Okay, shape tools, color tools, eraser tool, painting the colors, all these things will be in the ribbon. And the next is the drawing area. The blank area is called the drawing area. Okay. Next, so if I will give you to draw in the exam, that draw and mark the parts of the window, then you have to draw this thing. Okay, this part you have to draw. It may come in the exam, that draw the parts of the paint window. Okay, so practice it at home. Next, ribbon. It contains different tabs such as home and view. Each tab is divided into groups, tools, shapes, colors, etc. Each group contains the different commands and tools that help you draw. So in the ribbon, I have shown you in the previous page, I am showing you it again. Here we will see the tools. This is the tools part. Next, shapes. This is the shapes part. And the colors. Here we will get the color palette. Okay. So this is the part of the ribbon. Next. Each group contains different commands and tools that help you draw. Next, drawing area. It is the blank area in which you can draw. This is the blank area where we can draw. Okay. Next, drawing shapes. You can use several different shapes such as ovals, rectangles, triangles, arrows, diamonds, stars, and many more while drawing up in paint. You need not to draw each line or curve of these shapes. They are available ready-made in paint. To insert a shape in your drawing, follow these steps. So there are different type of shapes already given. See, different types of shapes are already given over there. So you can select from there whatever you want and you can draw. Okay, how we will do that? We will read over here. At first we have to click the home tab. In the shapes group, click the shape that you want to use. So at first we have to click on the home tab, then the shapes will come. We have to select and then click on that shape. Number 2, click the drop down menu arrow under the size option from the list of options. Select the thickness of line. So then there we will get a drop down menu arrow there under the size option. So if there is a size option, then we will get a drop down. That means our arrow will be there. For example, see here. See, this one is a line. You want to draw the line. Then there is a, if you will click over here, you will get different types of sizes, and you have to thickness. You have to choose from there. Okay, next. In the colors group, click color 1. Then select a color from the list of colors. This color will be used for the outline of the shape. Now click color 2 and again select a color. This color will be used to fill the shapes. So there is color 1 and color 2. So if you will select the color 1, it will give you the, see, two options are there, color 1 and color 2. Color 1, if you will select, then that will give the border lines. That means these lines, the dark blue lines. Okay. And color 2 will select to fill the star. Okay. Fill the shape. Next, number 4. Number 4 is click the drop down menu arrow of the outline option and the fill option and select a line style and a fill style respectively. Then from the drop down menu arrow you have to choose the outline option, then fill option. Outline option, then it will give the outline of the shape, and fill option will fill. Now click and drag the mouse in the drawing area. Then after selecting this, you have to drag the mouse in the drawing area. The shape you will get. Okay? Now note, you can first draw the outline of the shape. Then with the shape still selected, you can change its appearance by choosing the outline style, fill style, etc. To draw a shape that has equal length and width, press and hold down the shift key while dragging the mouse. So if you want to draw the shape of the equal length and equal width, you have to press the shift key while dragging the mouse. You can use the shift key to draw a circle using the oval tool, or to draw a square using the rectangle tool. So we can use the shift key also to draw circle, and from the oval tool using the oval tool, or a square using the rectangle tool. Okay, so read the chapter. We will see the demonstration in the live class. Okay, so still here, read the chapter, because you know the small questions, short questions will come from inside. So till the next class, goodbye, have a nice time and keep reading. Okay.